Hello everyone, this presentation will be regarding the evaluation of an automation system that promotes efficient and equitable access to information. The automation we'll be reviewing will be Atrium by Book Systems. This evaluation of this automation system is brought to you by graduate students from Sam Houston State University, currently in the class LSSL 5396, Computer Science App Librarianship. Our group members were Christina Bland, Christy Davis, Janelle Whitelaw, and myself, Crystal Montes. Atrium. Company history. Atrium was originally developed and founded in Huntsville, Alabama. They hold over 25 years of experience with library technology and maintain a strong reputation through the support of over 10,000 customers. Atrium differs from most automation systems in that it allows patrons access to numerous resources that can be easily retrieved from the comfort of their homes or the library. Strong points of system: feature-rich, stress-free technology for any library. Atrium is a 100% web-based system. It's an affordable library automation solution built on a foundation of over 20 years experience in library technology and feedback from over 10,000 customers. Information at your fingertips. Access to Atrium is fast and easy from any computer or mobile device with internet connectivity. Atrium has many features including cataloging, circulation, inventory, custom reports, and web-accessible OPAC. Quick cataloging for downloading free MARC records from the LOC and other libraries. Empowering patrons through patron-managed renewals, reserves, watch lists. Flexible OPAC themes including over 90 main and KidsViz options. Centralized or distributed information infrastructure. Stress-free cloud technology avoids costly hosting and provides a zero-maintenance environment. Features. Check out these amazing features. OPAC, it has a new look and even more flexibility, captivates your patrons with our exciting new OPAC interface. Choose from several layout options and over 90 OPAC design themes to customize your library's catalog. Enable your patrons to log into their accounts to create book bags, access watch lists, reserve or renew materials, check what's hot, Atrium mobile apps, access your library on the go, and KidsViz, the ideal pre-K through third grade library explorers toolbox. Hosting. There are plenty of hosting options for you. Atrium Hosting Solutions, stress-free setup hosting maintenance as cloud-based technology advances and its popularity continues to grow. IT departments are continuously seeking new ways to reduce cost and free up resources. Book System offers a variety of hosting options that will meet these needs. Atrium ASP. Our Atrium ASP hosted service delivers stress-free cloud computing technology. It reduces IT costs and provides maintenance for your Atrium system. When you factor in the cost of purchasing a new server, hiring an IT person, storing and backing up your data, you'll immediately see the cost-saving benefits. Atrium Express is an affordable subscription-based service for our hosted Atrium library automation solution. Make your library's technology worry-free at a subscription price. No server required, hosted by Book Systems. Elements of Atrium. Great components offered through here. Serials. Our Serials module for Atrium has the flexibility to easily manage and catalog your magazines, periodicals, journals, and other subscriptions. Authority control. Improve your cataloging accuracy using our authority control module for Atrium. Acquisitions. With today's limited library funding, it is important for libraries to maintain a detailed account of requests and expenditures. The acquisition module for Atrium will provide the management options you need in a user-friendly intuitive interface. Express, check it, self-check. Give your patrons what they expect while improving your staff circulation workflows. It provides intuitive user interface, improved circulation, simple and secure, and it's easy to implement. Weaknesses. What are the cons? Atrium has many options and features, so users may be confused at the start. It can be overwhelming at first. The initial training with the system is free, but on-site and extra training is costly. You must have high-speed internet connection for efficient access, which can be costly for districts. The layout and formatting of reports can be difficult to deal with for users. It can be very complex. Custom report features can be difficult to use. Add-on modules are available to enhance your subscription, but can be very costly. Next, recommendation Atrium by Book Systems. Is it right for your library? And here we have some options, OPAC options, quick cataloging, hosting solutions, customized reporting capability. Everyone has access with Atrium Mobile on the go. Here we have some recommendations. What are people saying? American Libraries Magazine, web-based ALS that has attracted a diverse demographic. 2/3 of buyers are school libraries suggested for smaller libraries. LibraryTechnology.org. Atrium is growing and has some areas that can be improved, but that would be true of any system. It is easy to use and easy to teach new staff. I like that they keep improving on it. LibraryTechnology.org also stated, no complaints, have a very good tech support. The system has more bells and whistles that is needed. Capterra.com. Atrium is easy to use, customizable, and customer service has always been helpful and quick to address any problems. Initial training is free, while extra training costs a lot. Here we have an overview, Atrium by Book Systems. Atrium is a 2016 MLA Platinum Award-winning, cloud-based integrated library system designed for any library. Atrium was built upon the principles of providing easy-to-use library automation software that delivers more customer-driven features, demands fewer technical and financial resources, and uses technical advances such as our stress-free, cloud-based technology. We believe you won't find a better management system for your library. Below, you can find all our references that we used for this presentation. Thank you for watching.